In this video, I will show you a detailed comparison between SendPulse and Twilio SendGrid, two popular email marketing platforms, to help you decide which one is better suited for your marketing needs in 2024. For your convenience, the links to both SendPulse and Twilio SendGrid are in the description below, so you can try them out. SendPulse is an all-in-one marketing platform that offers email, SMS, web push notifications, and chatbots. It is known for its user-friendly interface, AI-powered features, and affordable pricing. Twilio SendGrid is primarily an email marketing platform known for its deliverability rates, scalability, and powerful API integration capabilities. SendPulse offers a wide range of features, including email automation, personalization, A/B testing, and advanced analytics. Twilio SendGrid also offers similar features but focuses more on email deliverability, SMTP relay, and email validation. SendPulse is praised for its intuitive interface and easy-to-use drag-and-drop editor, making it suitable for beginners. Twilio SendGrid's interface is also user-friendly, but it may have a steeper learning curve for those new to email marketing. SendPulse pricing is based on the number of subscribers, starting from a free plan for up to 500 subscribers and affordable paid plans for larger lists. Twilio SendGrid's pricing is also based on the number of emails sent, with a free plan for up to 100 emails per day and paid plans for higher volumes. Both platforms offer a wide range of integrations with popular CRMs, e-commerce platforms, and other tools, making it easy to connect with your existing workflow. SendPulse provides 24/7 customer support via live chat, email, and phone, ensuring you get timely assistance whenever you need it. Twilio SendGrid also offers reliable customer support, but some users have reported longer response times during peak hours. If you're looking for an all-in-one marketing platform with a focus on user-friendly features and affordability, SendPulse could be the right choice for you. On the other hand, if email deliverability and API integration are your top priorities, Twilio SendGrid might be a better fit. Click the link in the description to try SendPulse and Twilio SendGrid for free.